Hello students, welcome to maths class. So today we are going to learn practice set 6. Let us see what is there in practice set. So first question, write the names of pairs of congruent line segment using divider. So this is a given figure. Now from this we have to write what? Pairs of congruent line segment using divider. So as you all know, divider, we call this tool as divider. So how we will solve this? See, line segment, I hope you all remember line segment means at the two end there is a point. See, so this is how much. First we will note that without doing any changes in this, 2.5. So you will write this as mg is how much? 2.5 centimeter, so that it is easy to write the pairs of congruent segment. Now we will see, is this same for this gr also? So gr is also 2.5 because I have not changed this measurement. So this is also 2.5 centimeter. Then let us see to which it fits. ng, this is also coming as 2.5. Still I have not changed any, I have not done anything, any changes with this measurement. 2.5. This one is also 2.5. Now GDC, this is not coming as 2.5. This is also 2.5. Let us see this also. See, this is also not coming as 2.5. This is also not coming as 2.5. So these are the line segments which are congruent to each other. Then what? Let's see what is this measurement. I have done to exactly taken the 2 points exactly at point G and D. Then let's see it is how much. It is approximately, it is about 2 centimeter. So 2 centimeter. Then let us see how much is this. We will extend it till the point. So now we will see this is how much? 3.2. So this is 3.2 centimeter. Then let us see this fits or not. Okay, this also fits. So this is also 3.2 centimeter. Now what? So now just we have to write which segment is congruent to which one. So how we will do? See, segment MG is congruent to NG is congruent, segment MG is congruent to segment, this MG is congruent to NG, segment NG, or we can also take as segment MG is congruent to, this MG is congruent to NG also and GE also and also GR also. So segment MG is congruent to NG we have taken. Then what? GE, segment GE. What else? Segment MG is congruent to, see, we have taken segment MG congruent to NG. Segment MG is also congruent to GE because these all measurement is about 2.5. Segment MG is also congruent to segment GR. So segment GR. Then what? 2 centimeter. DG. There is no other line segment which is about 2 centimeter. So DG is congruent to no line segment. Then what? 3.2. This one. 3.2 segment. This is what? GC. Segment GC is congruent to which one? GC is congruent to segment GB. Segment GB. Got it? In this manner you have to write the pairs of congruent line segment. Now let's move to second question. What is given? What is asked? Let's see. On the line below, the distance between any two adjoining point shown on it is equal. Shown on it is equal. Hence fill in the blanks. So this is the line in which all the points, the distance between any two points is equal. Means the distance between point Q and point P. Distance is, for example, distance is about 1 centimeter. Then distance between point P and point Z, it is also 1 centimeter. Means the distance between the 2 points is equal. So what is asked? Segment AB is congruent to which segment? Here dash is there. So segment AB is congruent to which segment? Where is AB? See, AB here. So segment AB is congruent to which segment? We can take any of the segment. See, but you should note that segment AB, the distance is, for example, the distance between these 2 points is 1. So you can take either segment BC or segment AW. See, look at the distance. Don't take the point like segment QX. Here, as you can see, if we take QX, then how much is the distance? For example, if we note that the distance between Q and P is 1 centimeter, the distance between any 2 points is 1 centimeter, then if we take segment QX, so how much would be the distance? See, if we take here till here, see here till here, what will be the distance? 1 centimeter. 1. So how much? 1 centimeter plus 1 centimeter plus 1 centimeter plus 1 centimeter is how much? 4 centimeter. So that you have to note down. So here the distance is what? Distance between AB is 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter, at 1 centimeter distance only we have to take the line segment. So segment we can take as BC or segment QP. Anything, or PZ, anything we can take, but the distance should be same. So segment I am taking as segment QP. See, here the distance is 1, here also the distance is 1 centimeter. Now segment AP. AP is congruent to which segment? See, where is AP? Here A is there, P is here. We have considered the distance between 2 points is 1 centimeter. So till here, how much is the distance? See, 1 centimeter, this 1 centimeter plus 1 centimeter plus 1 centimeter plus 1 centimeter plus 1 means how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So distance is about 5 centimeter. So that point we have to take a point which measures about 5 centimeter. For example, now we will take point as Y. We take the another point as Y. Then we have to see 5 centimeter distance. So this is 1 centimeter, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what will be the line segment? Line segment will be YC. segment YC. In this manner you can take, but you have to note down that AP measures about 5 centimeters, so the other one should also be 5 centimeter. Segment AC, where is AC? This one is A. Let us make it as star. AC. AC measures at, AC is how much? 1, 2. AC is about 2 centimeter. AC is about 2 centimeter. So we have to take the line segment about 2 centimeter only. So we can take as AX also, or we can take another one. See, QZ. This is also about 2 centimeter. So Q, I'm just making the difference sign so that you can understand. You don't need to make star and all that. So QZ is also about how much? 2 centimeter. So segment AC is congruent to QZ. You can take any, but you have to note down this measurement, QZ. Now segment BY. Where is B? Look here. This one is B. So segment BY. Segment BY. Segment BY, we will see it is how much centimeter? See, BY 1 centimeter, 2, 3, 4 centimeter, means BY is about 4 centimeter. So we have to take the line segment about 4 centimeter only. So segment BY we can take as P, C, P, X, or we can take as C, Q, Y. Q, Y 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, then what? 4 centimeter. How much we need? 4 centimeter. So this will be, see, this one, Q, we need about 4 centimeter. So 1, 2, 3, then 4. So what is the answer? QX. Segment BY is congruent to QX. Then what? Segment YQ. Where is Y? See, this one is Y and Q. Q is here. YQ. How much centimeters? The distance is how much? See, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter. So distance of YQ is about 3 centimeter. So we have to take the segment which measures about 3 centimeter. So this measures 3 centimeter. We can take this X. If we take X, point X, then 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter. So XB we can take as XB. See, XB 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, because this one measures to be 3 centimeter. Then what? Segment BW. Where is B? This one is B. This is as W. So BW is how much? Let us see. See, if this is how much? 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter. So BW is how much? 2 centimeter. Then we have to take a line segment about 2 centimeter only. BW we have taken. We can take as AC. See, AC 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, or QZ or anything. ZX because it measures about 2 centimeter. It measures to be 1 centimeter. So segment BW is congruent to which? AC we can take, or anything. Remember that why we are doing in this manner, because they have told us that the distance between any two adjoining point. The distance between two adjoining point. This two adjoining point, the distance between two adjoining point. If we join this, the distance is equal. This 2 points, the distance is equal. This 2 points, the distance is equal. Okay. So this was your second question. Now let us see what is. So in that practice set, only 2 questions are there. Okay. So in this manner you have to do that practice set. Now see, this is very easy. See, two angles with equal measures are congruent to each other. If two angles are given, their measurement are equal, then what we call them, the two angles are said to be congruent to each other. For example, angle ABC is what? 40 degree. So, and angle XYZ. Where is the measurement of the angle? At B. So angle ABC. Don't get confused while writing the names. So angle ABC is what? About 40 centimeter. Angle XYZ is about 40. So both the angles measurement is same. If the measurements are same, then the angles are said to be congruent. So the angle ABC is congruent. This is congruent sign. Remember that. How to make two lines, and then above you have to make like this. So angle ABC is congruent to XYZ. This on the based on this, there is one very small practice set 7. Practice set 7. See what they have asked. Practice set 7. Just you have to tell which one is congruent to which. Some angles are given below. Using the symbol of congruence, write the names of pairs of congruent angles in this figures. So the angles are given. Now which angle is congruent to which, that only you have to write. Like in this manner, you have to write the angles congruent. For example, let me show you one. What is given? Angle AOB. AOB. See, this angle AOB is about 45. AOB is 45. Then there is any angle which measures 45 degree? Yes, there is. What is that? RST. RST measures what? 45 degrees. So how you will write that? For practice set 7, I am just giving you the hint how to do that. Practice set 7. For example, what we have taken? Angle AOB. So AOB is how much? 45. So angle AOB is what? 45 degrees given. Is congruent to which one? Angle AOB is congruent to RST. So that you have to write angle RST. In this manner only you have to do. This symbol is very important. See, you can't take the whole angle because they have given this angle is divided. This whole angle is divided by this bisectors. So this much is 45. This much is 30 degree. Got it? See. So angle COD. COD. This much is about 30 degree. So COD, there is any angle which measures 30 degree? Yes, there is. See, LMN. This also measures 30 degree. So that you have to write angle COD. What is that? COD. So you have to write angle COD is congruent to which one? Angle LMN. Angle LMN. See, angle LMN. So in this manner, just you have to write which angle is congruent to which one. Okay, thank you.